What if your side hustle could make money while you're offline? In 2026, AI doesn't just help, you let it run the work. In this video, you'll learn 7 AI tools that automate side hustles and help you make money faster. Each tool removes work, saves time, and increases output. Tool 1, ChatGPT, automates thinking, writing, and replies. ChatGPT handles the thinking work for your side hustle. It writes blog posts, scripts, emails, product descriptions, and ad copy. It also replies to customers instantly with ready-made answers. This means you create more content, respond faster, and earn money sooner. Tool 2, Zapier, automates repetitive tasks. Zapier connects your apps and runs tasks automatically. When someone signs up, buys a product, or sends a message, Zapier takes action. It sends emails, saves data, and triggers follow-ups without you touching anything. Less manual work means you can scale without hiring help. Tool 3, Notion AI, automates planning and organization. Notion AI organizes your side hustle in one place. It plans content, summarizes notes, and creates task lists automatically. Instead of wasting time planning, you focus on execution. Better organization leads to consistent action and faster income growth. Tool 4, Pictory, automates video creation. Pictory turns text into videos automatically. You paste a script, and it adds visuals, captions, and music. This allows you to publish YouTube videos without filming or editing. More videos mean more views, more traffic, and more money. Tool 5, Canva, automates visual content. Canva creates thumbnails, ads, and social posts using AI. You select a template, and Canva does the design work. Better visuals increase clicks and engagement. More clicks mean more sales and faster growth. Tool 6, Shopify Magic, automates online store content. Shopify Magic writes product descriptions and marketing text. It helps your store sound professional and persuasive instantly. You launch products faster and improve conversion rates. Higher conversions mean more money without more traffic. Tool 7, Jasper, automates marketing and sales copy. Jasper writes ads, email campaigns, and landing pages. It focuses on selling, not just writing. You run marketing campaigns faster and test more ideas. Faster marketing leads to faster income. AI helps you stop trading time for money and start building automated income. The sooner you use AI, the faster your side hustle grows. Subscribe for more videos about money, tech tools, and motivation.